Mga puso, napaka-importanting breaking news. Importanteng mahal ng lahat na ngayong araw ay walang iba kung hindi ang kaarawan ni Pastor Izard Aizon. Ako, Pastor Izard, happy birthday po sa inyo. At talagang marami po ang nagagalak na pinagdiriwang mo ang iyong special na araw ngayong araw na ito. Diba, Pastor Izard? I would like to tell you how grateful we are. Gano'n kami talagang nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon dahil meron kami ng isang Pastor Izard sa buhay namin. Dahil through your life at ni Ate Liza, maging memorable yung aming pagiging kabataan. Hindi namin makakalimutan yung mga panahon na ini-encourage mo kami, binibigyan nyo kami ng advice, at higit sa lahat, sino pa naman ang pwedeng makalimot sa mga caroling days natin? Alala mo, nung panahon na sa gitna ng kantahan natin ay hindi ka mapahinto sa kakatawa, di ba? We are joyful with you and your family that you are celebrating this milestone. At wala kaming ibang hangad kung hindi ang mas mahabang pang panahon, pagkakataon sa paglilingkod. Pastor Izard, thank you so much. Enjoy your special day. God bless you more and see you soon. Kapuso!
Ako din po ay nagpapasalamat sa buhay nila Pastor Izard na palaging nagpapaalala sa akin na dapat ay unahin Panginoong Diyos bago ang mga iba't ibang mga bagay. Titignan niyo din po kasi ang buhay nila Pastor Izard dati, no? Na galing sa hirap, at kapag titignan, ikukumpara po ninyo ngayon, ay makikita po ninyo kung gaano kabait ang Panginoong Diyos sa pagbigay po ng grasya kapag siya ang inuna.
Pastor Izard is responsible, generous, and has a big heart for the ministry. Pastor Izard is a blessing and a role model to everyone. Pastor Izard loves his people and he loves dogs.
Salamat, Pastor, sa buhay mo dahil patuloy mo pong pinapagamit sa Diyos at nagsisilbi pong pagpapala po sa akin. Kita ko rin po yung iyong sipag, effort, sacrifice at malasakit din po. Mahal ka po namin, Pastor. Maraming salamat din po sa lahat. Happy birthday po ulit.
Malaking pasasalamat namin sa Panginoon dahil sa inyong buhay na malaking impact sa bawat isa sa amin bilang pamilya. Wala siguro kami sa paglilingkod sa Kanya kung walang Pastor Izard na ginamit ang Panginoon para mag-lead sa amin sa tamang landas mula sa pagkakadapa.
Maraming salamat din po, Pastor, sa magandang bagay na pinagkaloob ninyo sa tulad ko bilang isang membro sa lalo na sa pagbabasa ng Biblia.
Maraming salamat po, Pastor, sa inyong example sa giving. Yun po ang the best example na natutunan ko sa inyo.
Maligayang Pogi, Reverend Izard. Isa kang malaking inspirasyon sa una, sa pagiging faithful husband at mapagmahal na asawa sa iyong prayer warrior. At isa pa, makalawak ang iyong vision sa gawain ng Panginoon. At nakikita ko yun hanggang ngayon. Hindi ka tumitigil. Silang mabibigay ko sa iyo ako si Ur para sa iyo. Taga ako ng baston. Hanggang sa dumating ang Panginoon. I always praying for you every day. God bless you and good health lagi sa iyo.
Hello, Antoy. Kakayanakan mo lang naman. Uusilan mo'y edad ko. Kulang-kulang nga 40 anyos lang palabas. Nang kakabata. Sika, so inisar, nakatawag, piyan, kasil, so pananin siya. Siya, so inisar, piyan, kasil ka, kabulas tuga. Tanyo may, wali pakwela tayo. Napaan tayo rat ibang takad, baptistry. Malumot lang Tingnan, kabulok lang danom. Pero kumat na lingwanan, kaya sigurado nanunutan nyo yata. Apil di sugamat yung kampusan to. Ang balot ako nalingwanan, no, panon yok inantabayan. 3 piece ko ta nalingwanan. First, pray. plan, and proceed. Those 3 words retain to my heart even until now, because those 3 words help me how to court my wife now. And I could never forget, even you have helped me Valentine Simugop. So I'm very thankful to God, how God have used you to my life. And this is my prayer with you, Pastor. God will give you more good health. But take it easy, Pastor. Aloti lang sa amin dati ang mabibiskag. Happy birthday, Pastor.
Birthday, Daddy. Thank you for treating me and loving me like your own child. Never ko pong naramdaman na hindi ako tunay na anak sa pamilyang ito. Hanghanga kami sa patience nyo at sa character nyo kung paano maging isang tunay na tatay. We are constantly inspired by your discipline, lalong-lalo na sa Bible reading. Your passion in preaching and how you deliver God's message always pushes us to obey and love His Word even more.
Thank you for being funny and cool. Maraming salamat dahil ikaw ay nagpapasaya sa amin parate, lalong-lalo na sa aming paglaki. Pero higit sa lahat, thank you, Daddy, sa sipag mo for being such a good provider and for being so hardworking, na it really showed me what dedication looks like. Salamat din for nurturing me spiritually. You are the reason my faith is strong. Ever since I was a kid, ikaw na talaga ang ideal man ko. You are the standard of the person that I've always wanted to be with. Thank you for your patience and for always being my number 1 supporter. And I thank you din, Daddy, for correcting me sa aking childhood. Salamat sa mga palo, salamat sa mga disiplina, and I owe it all to you and Mommy sa pag-correct niyo sa akin nung mga bata pa lamang kami ni Kuya. Ngayong birthday mo, bawal mo na maglinis, ha? Relax ka lang muna at mahal na mahal ka namin.
Hello, good morning to everyone. Makikibati lang po ako sa ating pinakamamahal na Pastor Isard sa kanyang 60th birthday. Welcome to being the newest member of the 60 Club. Salamat, Pastor, sa buhay mo and your dedication to the ministry, and thank you for the opportunity to be a part of it. Pastor Isard, you are blessed. You have a wonderful family, a loving wife, wonderful kids, and poging apo that you adore and who adores you as well. Numbers 6:24-25. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and may the Lord makes His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. God bless you even more, Pastor, and may you have many, many more birthdays to celebrate and to use for God's glory.
Happy 60th birthday, Pastor Isard. God bless and happy anniversary as well to Pastor Isard and Lisa. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Greetings from Sydney, Australia.
Happy birthday, Pastor Izard. Thank you for your ministry. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for serving God. It's an honor to be part of your ministry. I hope you have a great day and God bless you. Love you.
I really look forward nung ako ay bata to the weekends, especially pag Saturday, because he's very consistent na darating siya doon sa church, lalo na po nung nagsisimula pa lang ang Lebap sa Castro Street. The reason perhaps I have some confidence in my leadership right now and in the things that I'm doing for the Lord at this season of my life is because I know that in Pangasinan, in my home church, there is that Pastor Izard who is rooting for me and who believes in me. He entrusted me a lot of ministry. Even though ako ay youth pastor, I never had an encounter with Pastor Izard that he is trying to micromanage yung ministry of the youth. And today is such a wonderful day. It is your 60th birthday, Pastor Izard. Know that most of the things that I am doing right now, the very seeds that I am doing it, roots from the vision you have entrusted me. Way, way back, nasa Castro pa lang po tayo na nagkukwentuhan tayo about anything under the sun. God bless you, and I hope you will continue to witness the harvest that God is going to show you and to celebrate the progress of all the seeds you have planted that is now bearing much fruit.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Pastor Izard!
I'll see you!
Enjoy your birthday!
Be strong and good courage in Jesus' name!